Hi everyone, this is Vibhav. Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you 4 free apps which you can find on Microsoft Store, and these apps are very useful. So let's get started. So let's go to Microsoft Store and search for Drawboard PDF. So this app lets you read PDF, edit PDF file, annotate PDF, and you can add signature, image, text. So whatever the document you will open, it will list up here in the recent items. So this is the PDF file. Actually, you can underline, you can highlight, you can add text to the PDF. So with this app, you can use the highlighter on the PDF. So if you want to highlight any text, you can just do it by selecting these options. You can insert the image, signature, add text to the PDF. So these are some very useful options which are available for you to edit PDF files. Okay, and the next app in the list is WhatsApp. Yes, everyone uses WhatsApp on their mobile phone, but to use the WhatsApp on your laptop, you have to open the browser, then scan the QR code and then sign in, right? That is kind of hassle. You can install WhatsApp from Microsoft Store and you have to sign in once. After that, you don't have to sign in every time. It's just that your phone should be connected to the internet, and if your phone is connected, you can start using WhatsApp on your laptop. And the third app is Document Cleaner. You can find Document Cleaner in Microsoft Store. So if you have any duplicate image files, audio file, video or document, you can just scan the document by going to the particular folder. Let's say if you have duplicate screenshots or duplicate images, you can just select the folder and scan it. If it has any document which is duplicate, it will clean that up. And the last app in the list is One Commander. This is a file manager app. So let's say if you want to copy files from one folder to another folder, you have to open 2 windows, right? So to avoid that, you can just open One Commander in one window and select the file which you want to copy or move and just paste it to the other window. So it is very useful when you want to manage your files and you don't want to open multiple windows. So these were some apps which is very useful and free. So let me know whether you find it useful. And if you did, please subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Goodbye.